Picture this. You walk into a room full of strangers. Instead of feeling anxious, you're confident, at ease, and genuinely excited to meet new people. You leave that room not just with names and numbers, but with real connections. People who truly get you, who you can rely on, and who make your life richer. Sounds incredible, right? But if that feels far from your reality, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to become more social and build lasting connections that truly matter. Let's start with the basics. Why does being social even matter? Study after study shows that strong social connections are the key to happiness, better health, and even a longer life. But let's face it, making meaningful connections isn't always easy. Between busy schedules, social anxiety, and surface-level interactions, it's hard to know where to start. But here's the thing. You don't have to be the loudest or most outgoing person in the room to build connections. You just need the right approach, a bit of courage, and the willingness to take the first step. So what holds us back? For most people, it's fear. Fear of rejection, fear of saying the wrong thing, or fear of being judged. And let me tell you, these fears are normal. But they're also your biggest roadblocks to building connections. Here's the mindset shift. Rejection isn't personal. It's just part of the process. Not everyone will click with you, and that's okay. What matters is showing up and giving yourself the chance to connect. Think of it this way. Every person you meet is a potential story waiting to unfold. Some stories might be short, while others become chapters of your life. But you'll never know unless you take that first step. Step 1. Be curious. The cornerstone of meaningful connections is genuine interest in others. People naturally gravitate towards those who show curiosity about their lives, experiences, and perspectives. Being genuinely interested doesn't mean interrogating someone. It means truly wanting to understand who they are and what makes them unique. Pay attention to what they say, their tone, and their body language. Look for moments where their energy rises, when they talk about something they're passionate about. Use those cues to explore further. Curiosity isn't just about asking questions, it's about engaging with their answers. Step 2. Develop active listening skills. One of the most effective ways to connect with others is by following the 70-30 communication rule. Spend 70% of the time listening and 30% talking. This approach shifts the focus from yourself to the other person, creating a space where they feel valued and understood. Active listening is key here. It's not just about hearing words. It's about understanding the emotions and intentions behind them. Avoid interrupting or finishing someone's sentences. Let them express their thoughts fully. Reflect on what they've shared by summarizing or paraphrasing, which demonstrates that you're engaged. For example, so you're saying that starting your own business has been a rewarding yet challenging experience? This not only validates their feelings, but also encourages deeper dialogue. When you listen, and I mean really listen, you're giving the other person a gift. You're showing them they matter, and that's the foundation of any lasting connection. Step 3. Ask open-ended questions. Open-ended questions are a powerful tool for sparking engaging and meaningful conversations. Unlike closed questions that can be answered with a simple yes or no, open-ended questions invite people to share their thoughts, stories, and feelings. For instance, instead of asking, "Did you enjoy the event?" try, "What was your favorite part of the event?" This type of question allows the conversation to flow naturally and encourages the other person to elaborate. Open-ended questions show genuine curiosity, which makes the other person feel valued and respected. They also help uncover shared interests or experiences, providing common ground to deepen the connection. Step 4. Smile and take care of body language. Your body language can significantly influence how others perceive you and how comfortable they feel around you. A genuine smile is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to make a positive impression. Smiling conveys warmth, openness, and approachability, instantly putting others at ease. Pair your smile with open body language. Uncrossed arms, relaxed shoulders, and a posture that leans slightly forward. These subtle signals communicate that you're present, engaged, and interested. Eye contact is another critical element. It shows confidence and attentiveness. However, ensure your gaze is natural and not overly intense, as that can feel intimidating. Mirroring the other person's body language subtly can also help build rapport, as it creates a subconscious sense of connection. Pay attention to your tone of voice. It should match the friendliness of your body language. Avoid closed-off behaviors like fidgeting, looking at your phone, or crossing your arms, which can unintentionally signal disinterest. When you smile and maintain positive body language, you're not just creating a welcoming atmosphere, you're reinforcing the idea that the person in front of you is important and valued. Step 5. Find common ground and connect over shared interests. Finding common ground is one of the quickest ways to build rapport and establish a meaningful connection with someone. Shared interests, hobbies, or experiences create a natural bridge for conversation. When talking to someone, listen carefully for hints about their passions or favorite activities. Do they love hiking? Are they a fan of a specific TV show? Use these insights to explore mutual interests. Finding common ground not only breaks the ice, but also lays the foundation for a deeper bond, making interactions more engaging and enjoyable for both parties. Step 6. Be confident and comfortable with silence. Confidence in social situations isn't just about what you say, it's also about how you handle silence. Awkward pauses are a natural part of conversations, and being comfortable with them signals self-assurance and composure. Instead of rushing to fill the void, take a moment to reflect or let the other person gather their thoughts. A relaxed attitude towards silence creates space for more meaningful dialogue, as it gives both parties a chance to process and respond thoughtfully. Step 7. Give compliments freely. Compliments are a simple yet powerful way to brighten someone's day and strengthen connections. When you acknowledge something positive about someone, whether it's their appearance, skills, or actions, you make them feel seen and appreciated. The key to giving compliments effectively is to be specific and sincere. Instead of saying, "You're great," try something like, "I really admire how you handled that situation. It showed great leadership." Compliments that highlight personal qualities or effort are particularly meaningful because they go beyond surface-level observations. Make it a habit to give compliments freely but authentically. Forced or insincere praise can come across as disingenuous. Compliments also create a ripple effect. When someone feels good about themselves, they're more likely to share that positivity with others. Whether it's a friend, colleague, or stranger, a thoughtful compliment can leave a lasting impression and deepen your bond with the people around you. Step 8. Be your authentic self. One of the most powerful ways to build lasting connections is through vulnerability. When you share your authentic self, your struggles, hopes, and dreams, you invite others to do the same. Vulnerability isn't about oversharing, it's about being real. For example, instead of saying, "Everything's fine," try, "It's been a challenging week, but I'm getting through it." This honesty creates a space for deeper connections. Step 9. Master the art of follow-up. To build lasting connections, consistency is key. Stay in touch, even when life gets busy. A quick text or call to check in shows that you care. Remember important dates, like birthdays or anniversaries. These small gestures keep the connection alive. And don't forget to embrace growth. As you and your connections evolve, be open to deepening the bond in new ways. Becoming social and building lasting connections isn't about changing who you are. It's about showing up as your authentic self, taking small steps, and embracing the beauty of human connection. So, picture this again. You walk into that room, confident and ready. This time, you're not alone. You're surrounded by people who care about you, who inspire you, and who bring joy to your life. And it all started with a decision to connect. If this video resonated with you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who'd love to connect more. Let's make the world a friendlier, more connected place, one conversation at a time.